Hey, I really want to tell you about this entry-level laser engraver I've had from Innsma for the last week or so. I wanted something which could brand some of my goods, and as you can see on this very simple piece, I can put my name on there literally in a matter of minutes with this engraver. I can change the font, whatever I like. I can put a logo in there, and it's not a lengthy process. The software that comes with this is pretty simple, and in fact it's a different version to the one that's in the manual, which can lead to a little confusion here or there, but it's easy enough to work your way around it. You can import pictures that you've made elsewhere, and I think that's definitely the best way to go. So I made this little graphics file with my name on it, imported it into this program, centered it up, stuck the piece of wood that I wanted to engrave underneath the machine, and away I went. Simple as that.
I tried the same image on a number of different things. Here I am going on a pencil which has got a paint finish on it, and I also tried it out on handle for a saw, some hardwood, some MDF, cardboard, and I actually tried it on some leather, which you can see in the background there. I also tried it on metal. It does not work on metal, it's not strong enough.
Branding your products can drive more business to your website. Currently this machine's retailing for significantly less than $100. I think it was $73 something the other day. And if you're going to use it as often as I feel I'm going to be using it, then it could be a well worthwhile purchase.
I only had to pay the import duty on this machine as Banggood sent it to me for free. But I'm not going to recommend it. I think you should look around and check out other reviews and make your decision from that.